Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can install latest version of Microsoft Office, which is Office 2024 legally from Microsoft. First, just create a new folder, click screen and right click new folder. Name it Office 2024. Then go to Google, search for Office Deployment Tool. Download Office Deployment Tool. Change its name to English and download. Show in folder. Select it and right click. Run as administrator. Yes. Click this one. Go to your desktop. That's my Office 2024. Just select it. OK. File is extracted successfully. OK. Great. Now if I open it, you see I have one configuration file and one setup. Just this time go to Google, open a new window. This time Office customization tool. Enter. Click this one. OK. My PC is 64-bit, so I select 64-bit. Scroll down. From here, you can select your desired Microsoft Office. I selected Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 volume license. Here you can select Visio. I don't select it. You can also select Project. I don't want to select it. Select additional product. No. Update channel. Select update channel. OK. Latest. From here, for example, I don't need Skype. I just turn it off. I don't need OneNote. I don't need Access. You can select it, any of them. I need Excel. I need Outlook. I need PowerPoint. I need Word. Next. From language, I selected English United States. You can select additional language. No need. Okay, let it as default. Next. Uninstall any MSI version of Office, include Visio and Project. Just turn it off. Next. Select KMS. Next. Just next. Finish. Export. Select this one. OK. I accept. Export. Good. Show in folder. Now, just select this folder. Control X. Go to your desktop. Go to here. Control V. Now you can delete this one. Good. Close it. Select it. Control X. Control Cat. Go to disk C. If you don't have disk C, go to another disk. Control V. You see now I have Office 2024. Just open it. Select this path. That is the path to your folder. Just Control copy. From here, open command prompt. You see command prompt, run as administrator. Just insert CD space. Control V. Enter. Go to Google again. Open new tab. Deploy Office 2024. Open it. Scroll down. I need this console. Just copy. Come back to your command prompt. Control V. Just enter. Now we just have to wait. Please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment as respect to our effort. It is done. Minimize this and just close this one. Then from here you can search for Word, for example. Open it.